axis of a cone is perpendicular to HP and base is resting on a HP. So initially draw the top view, in which we have to draw a circle representing the base of a cone. Now we have to divide this circle in 12 equal parts so that we can represent or draw the generators which will assist to draw the sectional top view, true shape of the section, and to locate the cutting plane. Now join all these generate points, 12 points which we have drawn on the circumference of the circles by means of a straight line passing through the center of the circle. Join these or draw these generators very faint, because these are the construction line which will assist our to finalize our drawing. Label these generators from starting from 1 to up to the 12. Give the dimension of the circle as radius 20 millimeter. Now we have to proceed for the front view. For this, shift all these base points for a front view on XY line. Now locate the axis length of a cone, which is about 50 millimeter, represented by means of a center line. Now join all these points with respect to vertex of origin to the base points by means of faint lines. Locate the axis line, which is a 50 millimeter. To locate the section plane, mark the midpoint of axis as it bisects the axis, so the midpoint is a 25 millimeter. Now set an angle of a 30 degree in mini drafter blade by using the protractor which is provided on mini drafter. So draw this section plane. Now we have to mark the points, cutting points, where the section plane cuts the respective generators. So prior to this, we have to mark the base points in the front view, labeling with a 1 dash. So from label the points as a 1 dash up to the 12 dash. Now mark the cutting points where the section plane cuts the respective generators. So the cutting points will point 1, point 2, in this way up to the point 12. Mark all these points in front view. Now we have to shift all these points in top view to draw the sectional top view. So transfer the point 1, which will lie on our generator number 1 in top view. Similarly, point number 2 and 12 lie on generator 2 and 12. Point 3 and 11 mark it on respective generators in top view. So for point 4 and point 10, we have to take the help of the true lane. So in front view, shift these points on generator number 7. From generator number 7, transfer these points in top view, and by using the compass, transfer these points on our respective generators, that is generator number 4 and 10. Thus locate the points P4 and P10 in top view. Thus next is a point 3, point 9, point 4, point 8, point 2 and point 8, point 5. Okay. So next is a point 5 and point 8. Okay. Then last is a point 7. Thus we'll get the 12 points in top view. Join all these 12 points by using the French curve. So too much skill and concentration is required while using the French curve. don't lose your patience while drawing the curve by using the French curve. Finally, this sectional top view will appear as an ellipse. As this is a sectional top view, we have to represent the section by means of a hatching line. Hatching lines are the one which are equispaced, parallel to each other and inclined at a 45 degree. Now next, to draw the true shape of the section, we have to observe at a right angle to the section plane. We draw this new reference axis x1 y1 which is parallel to the section plane. Now draw the projection line through the cutting points which already we have marked in front view. Now point 1 and point 7 will lie on this new reference axis x1 y1. Now take the distance of P2 and P12 in top view and mark it on our respective projection lines to draw the true shape. 3 and 11, take this distance with the reference of a horizontal line, that is a generator 1. Now 4 and 10, five and 9, 6 and 8. Last P7 is already marked. Mark the points as a P2, P3, P4, 5, P6, P7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Those 12 points are available. Finally, the true shape appears as an ellipse. Use the French curve to draw this ellipse. Just complete use the proper portion of the French curve. This curve should be smooth. Okay, this is a sectional view of a true shape, which should be indicated by drawing the hatching line in this sectional view. Just draw these lines in sectional view.